Hi Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Leo, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of August 2021. Also Leo, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there Leo. If this message does not resonate with you, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you Leo, please don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Also Leo, please note that this reading is timeless, so whenever you see this message, it will be relevant to you. Now let's look at into your energy here Leo. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I've got coming up for you here Leo, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, as well as water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Looking at your energy here Leo, I've got the star and then I've got the Six of Cups here with the Eight of Swords energy coming up here. So let me start with this Six of Cups and the star energy coming up here. So first of all here Leo, you do know and you do understand, and you could also feel within yourself here Leo that there is definitely like a very strong soulmate connection coming up between both of you here. And I feel like here Leo that you have been going through this journey for quite a while. And what do I mean by that here is that even though there are sometimes the separation could happen, but after that both of you reconnected again. So it's almost like both of you are still running in those circle where sometimes separation happen and then coming back together, and then separation again and then coming back together. So there is still that particular circle is currently going on between both of you here. And with this Six of Cups energy here, some of you have known this person since your childhood, I would say here, or even like since you were younger, I would say here Leo. Like this connection I'm getting like it has gone through for years. Like this is not only like a few months, or this is not only like a few years type of connection. This is like a very long journey that both of you have been going through here. Some of you here Leo with the Six of Cups energy coming up here could also have been getting a lot of dreams, I would say here, about the past life that both of you shared here as well. This is again when usually almost all the time I would say here, when we are talking about twin flame connection or soulmate connection, there is definitely like a very strong past life coming up here between both of you. But in your case here Leo, you've been getting a lot of dreams and a lot of vision, I would say here, in a form of dreams or in a form of like channeling messages, something like that, that is letting you know connecting you with one of the past life that both of you shared here Leo. And another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this star energy and the Eight of Swords energy here, the good thing here is that you are focusing on your healing is what I'm getting here, both emotionally and mentally speaking. So you're definitely already on the right track here Leo. Yet at the same time, with this Eight of Swords energy, you could not help to feel the anxiety and the frustration, and overall here you could actually still feel yourself being trapped. Not only because of this connection, I feel like you still find yourself being trapped or being stuck within a certain event or within a certain situation that you're still carrying subconsciously here of your mind. And this situation is something from the past, such as childhood trauma, some pain and some trauma from the past here. So even though that you want to move forward and continue with your healing here, but deep down you're still feeling defeated, and deep down you're still feeling like you are moving backward is what I'm getting here, like from the number 8 to the number 7. So I feel like this is letting you know here, especially with the Six of Swords energy that I've got coming up here, I'm getting like a very strong mental burden coming up for you here rather than the emotional burden. I feel like you have been quite hard on yourself, I would say here Leo, like you're being too overly conscious and little bit too hard on yourself. So what I'm going to suggest for you here is that, because you are definitely already you are definitely already on the right track, because things are definitely coming up towards you here, and your person is also coming up towards you. But I feel like one thing that you need to pay attention to here is that all of this pain and trauma that you're still holding on into on your subconscious level here, Leo. So that's it for your reading. Let's look at into your person energy here. I've got the Queen of Swords energy coming up here and the Eight of Cups. I've also got the Five of Pentacles energy coming up here. There are a few things that is currently delaying your person progress, I would say here. So first of all, I'm getting like there is definitely like a third party situation going on here, and they are definitely walking away from that particular third party here, Leo. There is no doubt on that. Some of them here do not deal with a third party situation, but I'm getting like a very strong mother figure coming up here. This could be ex-partners, could also be like their own mother. I would say here that they may not have any good relationship with here, like mother issue is what I'm getting here. Again, coming back to some sort of like a childhood pain and childhood trauma that they are currently struggling to heal with, that they're currently struggling to walk away from here, Leo. Even though, like I said, they do have a very strong intention that they want to get better within themselves here before actually coming towards you, before actually offering you stability, a stable connection, a stable commitment, I would say here. But at the same time here, they are also struggling to let go and to release all of this pain and all of this trauma within themselves. So in a way here, both of you are coming out from a quite similar energy. So sometime here with you feeling trapped, there is also a very high possibility here that you are picking up your person energy as well here, Leo. And then another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this Five of Pentacles energy, I'm also getting a very strong fear, and hopelessness is also another thing that I've got coming up here. I think they've already come to this particular realization that there is no point of them running from this connection anymore. I think they've already come into that particular understanding here, Leo. So in that case, it's definitely good. At the same time here, they are also starting to realize that they are taking a lot more time than they are initially expecting it to be. And the main fear here is that you would actually forget them, and once the time comes in, like once they are ready to come towards you and offer you the commitment, offer you the stability here, they are afraid that you are not going to accept that, and they are afraid that you're going to reject all of this stability offer that they're finally ready to offer you, because they've been taking a longer time to come towards you, like they've been taking a lot more time to come towards you here, Leo. So this is like one of the main fear and one of the main struggle that they're currently going through here. So let's look at into the channel messages that I've got coming up here. I'm working on building our future. I've also got you mean the world to me. So this is what exactly they're doing at this point of time here. They're working on building your future together, and you mean a lot to them. But unfortunately, they're taking a longer time than they initially expected, and this is why they are really afraid of that you're just going to reject them when they come in with that stability offer here, Leo. So that's it for your reading, Leo. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.